Boy, I can't even see you.
Love that black.
What's up, guys?
What's up, camera?
What's up? What?
Camera. What's up? Do you guys want to try?
Yeah.
I'll just make sure that's flipped.
Let me just. We gotta encourage the chef.
I mean,
No, throw it in the,
don't know if
the
everyone's
freezer
eating.
so you can redo it later.
everyone eating?
That shit.
Marinate that chicken.
Yeah, that's burnt right there.
Excuse me. What's up, Alyssa? What's up, cameraman?
What's up, Tom?
What's going on?
How's volleyball?
It was alright, man. You know we
Did you kick ass?
you know I kicked ass, dude. Like
Always.
I just wish you guys could see, but
I
Oh.
kicked some ass too.
What ass? What's mochi?
If you don't know what it means, you don't deserve to get any.
Explain it, Tom. Explain mochi.
I honestly don't know how to explain mochi. I just beat that shit.
Mochi is basically
Wait, go over there.
Japanese ice cream, sort of.
Wait, what? So what's mochi again?
No, according to Susan,
Wait.
no.
Is it Korean? I forgot.
It's Chinese. It's just
Explain to
What's mochi?
He's asking what mochi is.
It's squishy.
Sushi?
Squishy.
Oh.
And then there's ice cream.
Oh, it's like a
Yeah, so I also bought
it's a bomb. You have
honeydew malone.
It's freaking bomb.
And stop. And what are you guys doing?
Oh, Tom's saying he has small ears.
Oh, small ears?
Was that too soon?
I'm out of here.
Exposed to the world?
How's the food, Alyssa?
Good.
Is it burned or anything?
No. I mean, the potatoes might be.
Oh, really? Some of them look good. Some of them. What's up, Tina?
Don't take me while I'm drinking.
What are you drinking? What are you drinking, Tina?
Soda?
What's up, Cheryl?
You're very awkward.
What's up, Queen Mee? How's the food?
Yummy.
What are you eating?
Meat,
And?
baked potato, and kimchi.
Nice. Is it good?
Yeah.
Do you like sour cream?
Yes.
I can tell. What's up, Alyssa? What's up, Susan? Did you eat? Did you even eat? I didn't even see you eat.
We're making the food.
Oh.
Oh, hello.
What's up, Tammy? What's up, Sandra? What are you doing? Oh, there's a fight? What's up, Alyssa?
Hi. Again?
How's the donut?
It's good. Go!
What kind is this?
Maple?
Maple? Is that your favorite? No?
Yeah.
Oh, it is?
Can you hear? Getting
Let me zoom in.
a good shot.
Yeah. Looks pretty good. How's homework, Chi?
Almost there.
Almost done?
Almost done.
Nice. Very nice. Damn, dude, what flavor is that? Damn.
It was good.
What's up, bro?
What's up?
How's the food? Good?
Of course, I made it.
Of course.
me.
It has to be good, right?
What's on your forehead?
How's the corn, Cheryl?
God, you're gonna fall. I got you. I got you. Just fall back.
That's okay, it happens to everyone.
Anthony.
I'm not loud. What happened?
We were both on it.
Oh, shoot, do it.
You missed it.
Get on.
Okay, go to it. You want me to? You're doing it with just one. You can get off first.
What happened?
Oh, what's the book?
Can you guys move?
for it.
I don't know what's more.
You guys gotta lean at the same time.
Fall towards me.
Go circles.
You're on one too.
Go circles.
Okay, you lead. I'll just face that.
After 10. I thought it was like an 8 or 9.
Oh my god.
No, dude, stop.
He lost? I don't know.
Stop playing.
You can tell she's trolling.
What did I tell you? What
You can tell she's
did I
trolling.
tell you?
What's up, bro?
He doesn't mess around now, dude. You see him slap, dude? Down.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Yo, you guys are all down in him.
Fuck you guys. Oh, damn, Tony, you should have bet. You should have bet, Tony. What? Oh.
If he loses by submission, I can understand.
Ow, ow,
Oh my god.
Yeah, I told you to go for an underdog. Who's out of here? Good, I can talk now. Everybody get out. Party's over. Obviously somebody's excited for Mafia. Andy, why are you excited? Tell us what we're doing.
Hold up. What are we playing tonight?
Mafia!
No? Oh, okay, so you're just dead. Game over.
You should have said you were the undercover, man.
Wait, so who's Mafia? That's it.
Hey, dang.
Oh, that's it.
Keep this on camera.
Yo. Yo.
You sold your bit, dude.
What the heck? So we are taking a quick mochi break.
The mochi, man.
Quit me. He was a troll.
We got the Malona honeydew.
Wait, what's the circle?
I want one of
The
those.
strawberry
Oh,
mochi.
I called dibs on those
They're
two.
not
We got the
civilian
green tea
or
mochi.
mafia.
Oh, I called dibs
They
on those
just go for
two.
fun.
And we got the mango.
We gotta put this in.
Oh, man. Oh.
We gotta put this in, dude. I love this. Irvin, you don't get any? No, we do it. We do it, dude. Wait, I want strawberry.
That's what I'm saying. So how do you know? How do you?
Bro,
So how do you pick the mafia if you have 2 or 3 mafias?
you're right.
So you have 2 or 3 mafias. Who are you gonna pick?
Wait.
It's for me, honestly,
rival
it's between
mafia.
these two that are the best.
I want the strawberry.
Green tea is alright.
I want strawberry.
Yeah, that's like garbage.
This right here is the best flavor.
You can't kill
Strawberry mochi.
Barman.
What's up, everyone? So we had a blast eating some barbecue and playing Mafia. Thanks for watching. Make sure to check out my last vlog to the right. And see you guys next time. Peace.
Bye.